show you the box opening?
I'm doing it right now. Wow.
How much does it cost to get started living in an RV? Well, that depends on you. What kind of RV are you buying? Is it brand new? Is it vintage? Do you need to renovate it? Do you have stuff for it already? Do you not have stuff for it already? Do you need to upgrade it? Do you need to fix things? How do you want to live? How do you want to live in the RV? What do you want to do with it? All those things are factors in your cost. But I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to show you the things I bought. We're going to start with some unboxing. Here it is.
I've been in love with girls so many times before. They love me and leave me. I thought I knew the score. Won't fall in love no more. I was walking in shadows then, my life a lonely road. I was walking to nowhere with the heavy loaded heart. To laugh I played a part. Then came that magic day. I saw you as you walked my way. Here she comes, my kind of woman. Here she comes, my kind of woman. Yeah, you're my kind of woman, and I can't help but tell you that you are.
Sanding the old blocks that came with the RV. They were made by the previous owner. They were a little moldy in there, so we're just sanding it all off and we're gonna refinish them. Well, Dad's gonna do it, right, Dad? He's offered. You're the best. We got more over here. And look what came today. All of these boxes. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas. Ooh, look at these new shoes. They smell pretty, like brand new tires. How do you feel, Betty? Whew.
That you are, yes, you know you are, girl, you know you are, yes you are, you know you are, you know you are. The longer together then, the more we fell in love. No making or breaking up. Now I know I found real love, and I can't get enough. Ooh, I love you, I really love you. So good to be winning now, I never thought I'd do. You got me spinning, honey, it's all down to you. You're there to see me through. Ooh, I love you, I really love you. Yes, I love you. And from just one kiss, who would believe that it would be like this? Here she comes.
I got my fancy light band on. because I've been under the sink changing out this GE smart water system, which I couldn't find filters for. Switched it out for a Cousin UC 200. Bacteriostatic water filtration system. These are supposed to be good for 5 years. Stereo, backup camera, Wi-Fi modem and antenna from All County RV Solar and Service. Ready to rock.
Brake and put it in reverse.
Reverse. Woohoo! Hey, look at that! Awesome.
So if you push the home button in the top left, you push the lower right. Are your lights still on?
Oh, yeah.
So the lights have to be on for the camera to work.
Yes.
Gotcha.
So
I forgot.
that is how
At
you
least the running lights.
The running
The
lights.
headlights don't have to be on, but the running lights.
The running lights.
Yeah.
Okay, not all the
So
headlights.
that's how
Got
you
it.
can manually get to the backup camera. And then if you tap the screen again,
Wow.
And then you
And then
can
I
go
hit
to
this, and then I go
home.
back.
yeah.
There. Woo-hoo! Awesome. Okay. You guys killed it. Thank you so much. And then this thing is super cool. I'm stoked to test it all out. I feel like I could live here now. Okay. Cheers. Ready for one more? Oh. This ball is almost dead. And those are just the things that I took video of. There's plenty more where that came from. We also had adapters, random supplies, sewer hose, cabinet hardware, towel rack, 2 Maxxair Deluxe fans, window insulation, fire extinguishers, tools, soundbar, camera equipment, low flow shower head, smog check, registration, thank you California, new air conditioner plus installation and repairs. So you add that into all together and we get that. Add the price of the RV, we get that. And I don't regret a thing. You could definitely do it cheaper. You could definitely do it more expensive. But that's what I spent and I don't regret any of it. There are a few things that I haven't used much. At the time of this recording, I've been in Betty Lou traveling for over a year, and there are some things that I've tried to sell because I wasn't really using them, so keep that in mind. There's going to be things that you bought and didn't need, and there's going to be things that you need and didn't buy, so deal with it. Anyway, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.